That's right, everybody. We're going to do the Bullitt. I'm also going to do the chase car that Steve McQueen was in hot pursuit of. So let's get these bad boys in the stripper and let's get going. Okay, I got them stripped and I did a wheel swap on them using some wheels that I got from Treads Hobby, the Facebook online. Everybody's been raving about it. I like these wheels. Did the wheel swap on, just glued in the axles because they spin freely on the axle. Got to do a little cleaning on them tires there, but these dudes are ready for paint. First thing we got to do is we're gonna prime them. I got my colors picked out. I might have to do a little bit of a mix on this. I might need to darken that up a bit, but that's the closest green that I've got for the Bullitt Mustang, and then just a basic deep black on the RT. So let's get these primed up, get them ready to get some color on them. Okay, I'm going to start doing some detail here. Just using a little needle file, little hobby file, whatever you want to call it. It's flat on both sides. Just going around doing the window trim. Trying to get some extra detail going on in there. You just got to take your time on this. Don't get too crazy. Just nice and soft, nice and easy. Alright, I finished up with a little bit of detail and I threw on a little bit of some weathering powder. These cars aren't really show cars. They look like your average cars in the movie. The Bullitt, it was pretty rough. So I hit it with a little bit of Tamiya weather, not a whole lot, just kind of ran over it a little bit on both cars. The detailing is not all that great. I'm still working at that. I'm trying to perfect it as best as I can. But they're not, you know, they're not perfect. I don't believe either car is the exact car either. As a, you know, I'm looking at the grills. I went ahead and blacked out the complete grill on the RT, and then I did the same there on that. And the wheels on the Bullitt, they seem like they're a little big. They're about the closest thing I've got to what was, I believe it was on. I've got some smaller ones. These had red rims, and I blacked those out, and they got the chrome outer rim on them, and they're a little bit smaller. Kind of go a little bit better, I think. So I don't know. I may do a re-swap and swap those out for these. I think it probably would look a little better, because you can see, you know, those are big. You know, I mean, at a distance they don't look too bad, but you know, they roll pretty good. But we'll see. I'm gonna let these sit and come back probably tomorrow and decide on whether or not those wheels need to go. But just need to do a little bit of cleanup on the interiors, a little cleanup on the windshields. And then we'll go from there. Alright, let's get these dudes together. I got the interiors taken care of, the glass, the body's all ready to go. And let's get them on the rotisserie. Okay, and here's a reminder of what we started out with these two cars. And this is what we ended up with. I didn't swap out the Bullitt's tires and rims from what I originally swapped them out to be. Don't know, I'm not crazy about them, but they don't look terrible. I left the paint jobs, you know, pretty rough with a matte finish. In the movie, they looked like they were, you know, they're a little rough, not horrible, but they weren't show cars, so I didn't want to go glossing them up, making them look all brand new. So I just wanted to make them appear like they looked in the show. I want to thank everybody for tuning in to this episode of 164 Revival. If you liked the video, go ahead and click the like button, please. And if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do that for new and upcoming videos, and also to check out my other videos. So thanks again, and everybody have a great day or evening.